Discover the gold standard in heavy-duty chainsaws. The 460 Rancher by Husqvarna is the ideal saw for landowners and frequent users who need a high-powered, responsive workhorse for all cutting conditions. This durable and maneuverable chainsaw is ideal for tasks such as tree felling, yard cleanups, and firewood cutting. The Rancher combines the raw power and efficiency of Husqvarna's renowned X-Torq engine with new innovations like the LowVib anti-vibration system and a smart start recoil system which helps it start quickly and with minimal effort. An automatic oiler safely delivers a steady supply of chain lubrication. Distinct marks on the chainsaw housing give the Rancher better felling precision, and a side-mounted tensioning system allows for quick adjustments while you work. So prepare to get the job done right with the 460 Rancher from Husqvarna, the chainsaw that delivers outstanding performance in any field.